If your screen is too dark, even when it's on maximum brightness on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, here's how to fix it. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Display and Brightness. Then scroll down and turn off Scheduled Night Shift. Go back to Settings, tap Accessibility, scroll down, and select Display and Text Size. Scroll to the bottom and turn off Reduce White Point. Also turn off Auto Brightness and Reduce Bright Effects. These methods can resolve the low brightness issue on the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.